Today we're gonna be making a very simple breakfast. You just get your ingredients. Basically, I choose double flax bread because of the fiber, egg whites, spray in the pan, low calorie ocean spray, and your choice of fruit. I mash up strawberries to put on the toast at the end. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with just spraying the pan. 1 second, turning it on to a medium heat. Once the pan has been preheated for about 15-20 seconds, just pour the amount of egg whites you want. I pour about as much as I think I'm gonna eat. Eggs begin to cook, just put your toast in. So they'll both be done usually around the exact same time. Up and down, I like to have mine like medium brown. In the meantime, you can just pour a glass of juice or water or coffee. As your eggs begin to get little bubbles, just start mixing them around a bit. They cook relatively quickly, which is why this meal is very easy and also very healthy. As I finished my eggs, my toast was ready. Now I'll just put some butter on it, and then I'll show you the final product. And to finish it off, I just take the strawberries that I mashed either the night before or the morning, depending how much time I have, all on the bread. That has been my quick how to make a healthy recipe in 5 minutes. Thanks.
More often than not, students are on a budget and on the go. That's why we're making this video for post-secondary students ages 17 to 22 that are currently enrolled in post-secondary college or university. This both male and female audience is just making it on their own for the first time, policing their own schedules, and trying to make a daily routine based on their own life rather than anybody else's. They are learning how to take care of themselves for the first time in their life, and that can be difficult, and it's also easy and common to turn to readily available foods such as fast food or junk food. This video is intended to provide simple ingredients that are non-expensive and straightforward recipes that make for a quick and simple breakfast that in turn creates a healthy lifestyle and a good routine for the rest of your day.